Hi there, Bravo Cycles here. In part 1, several days ago I analyzed the weekly cycle composite of Bitcoin and a short-term chart with a still developing wave structure. I also presented a possible cycle degree, ABC Elliott wave price pattern that implies a significant correction upon completing the wave in progress. The chart below shows we can count the full 5 waves in Bitcoin's price pattern since November 2022, as per the black count. Additional micro-extensions per green and black counts cannot be precluded yet. According to Elliott wave theory, at least a 3-wave correction should follow after completing 5 waves. The correction depth depends on the type of previous 5-wave move within a larger wave structure. It can typically be Fibonacci 38.6%, 50%, or 61.8%. On occasion, or it could be more or less. Competing Elliott wave counts often exist, mainly due to ambiguities in the price pattern. Eventually, one of the alternatives will prevail, with additional information considered. As indicated in Part 1, let us explore potential long-term bullish Elliott wave counts of Bitcoin. This chart is bullish alternative number 1, representing a series of the first and second waves within cycle wave 3 I progress. It requires the smallest pending correction upon completing the last wave, in this case, minor wave 1. The corrective minor wave 2 can reach mid-30,000 plus minus several thousand. The primary wave 1, that is circle 1, can reach the 1 million range plus minus. Zooming in, the chart below shows more accurately the target for wave 2, between 78.6% and 50% Fibonacci retracement levels, i.e. between 23,000 and 40,000. An ideal target would be about 32,000 or 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. This would be a substantive correction, as the second waves are typically deep retracements. The bullish number 2 alternative allows the November 2021 peak to be a minute B wave, circle B. This results in the present top being intermediate wave 1. The target for primary wave 1 is the same as for the bullish number 1 alternative. However, intermediate wave 2 can correct to about the 12,000 range, plus or minus several thousand. Thus, a more severe correction. Zooming in, we can see that the ideal retrace for intermediate wave 2 is at about 12,000, which corresponds to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. However, there is solid support between 15,000 and 20,000. In the middle of that range is a 50% Fibonacci retracement. There is also good support around 6,000 plus minus, corresponding to 78.6% Fibonacci retracement. The bullish number 3 alternative attempts to account for some ambiguity in the price pattern when Bitcoin started to trade. In this alternative, the present top is the wave cycle Roman 1 peak. The typical 61.8% Fibonacci retracement can take Bitcoin in cycle Roman 2 retrace down to single digits. However, in a bullish market, the pullback can be much shallower, and it can find support in the range of circle 4 between about 3,600 and 13,500. In summary, Bitcoin has significant long-term bullish potential. However, according to all candidate counts, after completing 5 waves up since November 2022, a significant correction may take Bitcoin to a significantly lower level before the next leg up. I hope you enjoyed this rather elaborate analysis and longer than usual video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Links in the description.